Historically, whales are the ocean giants that ate Jonah and embodied the sea monsters of our worst nightmares. Later, we began to see the whales as a valuable resource of meat and blubber that offered food and the oil that literally lit up the Industrial Revolution, leading to the killing of more than 2 million large whales in less than 50 years. Lubricated the mechanics of the Eagle when it landed on the moon in 1969. Around that same time, it was discovered that whales are not just floating blubber stores available for exploitation, but living, caring, and long-lived mammals, like us humans, that sing long, elaborate songs. This discovery started the Save the Whales movement and led to a complete moratorium on whaling in 1985.